All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Another early morning adventure. We are going to be headed out to a little cars and coffee again this morning. Woo! Made sure that I could go to this one today as well. Next week there should be some more activities, but I do not think I'm going to be able to attend due to the fact that I'm going to be very busy with work, which 100% not going to be complaining about. But I definitely want to pop out this weekend because next weekend, unfortunately, probably will be stuck at the setup. Again, not a bad thing whatsoever, but wanted to make sure that I popped out this weekend. And ironically, it's supposed to be better weather next weekend than it is this weekend. I mean, it's been kind of on and off raining this entire week, which is really annoying. The weather isn't terrible because it could be cold and raining, but like it's just weird, man. Like, we're getting nice like 70-80 degree days, but the problem is it's raining like every single day at random parts of the day. Like, it was raining earlier today, like in the morning, and then when I was pulling up to the gas station it started to sprinkle, and I was like, man, they're gonna pop this meat, it's not even gonna happen. And now it's stopped, so hopefully it doesn't rain anymore today, and you know, it's chilling because it's supposed to get nice, and then it's gonna be nice like for the most part all next week. But it is Houston, so things are really inconsistent with the weather. It just sucks. Maybe I'll be able to pop out next week, but it's just one of those things where it would kind of inconvenience me to be popping out next week, which I don't like being inconvenienced when I don't need to be inconvenienced, especially when everything's got to get done on a time frame. Whew. We're a little late though. It's like we're gonna pull up about an hour late, but it is what it is, man. Still should be pretty decent. Reptile Expo. $77 degrees it says, which is capped. It definitely does not feel like 77. It feels like 67. 100% feels like 67 degrees out here. Hopefully it doesn't rain while I'm headed up here. Yeah, we're about 23 minutes away. I am not hitting tolls because there's no point, because I'm not in a rush. But yeah, when we get closer to the meet, I'll pick up the vlog, because we're probably gonna hit traffic because I'm not gonna hit the toll road because I'm not in a rush. And parking, you know, even if you get here an hour late, is typically not too bad, which is a good thing. But hey, who knows? I'll catch you guys when we get closer to the spot.
A few moments later.
Oh wow, it's raining. Hopefully it stops, man, because this literally will suck. Hopefully it's not raining in the area that I'm gonna be actually parked up at, because yeah, these people are not gonna be out here in the rain, I'll tell you that right now. Man, it was supposed to be nice outside today too. What the heck happened? There's literally a Dark Horse behind me. This is the second time I ran into a Dark Horse in this car on the road. Hell yeah. That should look good. Look like a Ford Tech too. Hell yeah. That's a good color as well. And it's the damn handling pack. That literally is the Dark Horse spec that I would get. 100%. 100% the Dark Horse spec that I would get. That's what I would trade the 2024 in for. The Dark Horse handling pack. I know exactly exactly where this guy is going. Definitely this octane and espresso. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good, man. Really good. I like it. Let me know what y'all think about the Dark Horse, man. You like it? You don't? I like them. I don't care what nobody says. I know people like to say whatever they want about the S650s. I like the Dark Horse. I really do. I really like the Dark Horse. I would take a Dark Horse over a Mach 1. S550 Mach 1. 100%. The reason being, it has a stronger motor because it has the forced connecting rods. And number two, I overall just like the technology in the S650s. You know what I'm saying? It really is just really nice. This is like a more raw feel, and it's crazy to say that like in an S550 because these are overall like polished and refined, but man, that Dark Horse, I've never driven one. I need to drive one to compare it to this car, and as well as my GT, because the GT, like, it rides like really smooth, and I like that. Like, I really like that. It's a great daily, I'll tell you that right now. Like that 650 Mustang, people just think, oh, it's a Mustang, you can't really drive it around the town, whatnot. Wrong. You know what I'm saying? That S650, it rides so nice, so nice. Should be pulling up soon. Yeah, we're about to be pulling up.
A few moments later.
I think this is gonna be a wash, ladies and gentlemen. It is raining. It is trash outside. I love that color on the Gen 3. I might have actually been a Gen 2. I'm surprised these guys still here. It sucks because I just washed my car a couple days ago. And now it's raining. You gotta be real careful to not scrape. Damn, half the car is left. Ladies and gentlemen, oops. Let's see what's here. That lineup: ZR1, Grand Sport, Z06. 5Z.
I was like, but it is a beam brake. Heck, I know I have this clear, but when I had the for my seats and the tickets, I want to say altogether it was like $6 grand with the old stadium. Okay. And no, it was like 6,800. But I wasn't like right.
Kenny Bell Cobra.
I was too low and I had to put it before.
That's sick.
Yeah, it was like way up there, 2 seats. It was the same ride. I bought a couple tickets to it.
I see what's over here.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be 280 something.
Look at that wagon. Box body over there too. Weather kind of cleared it all out. It's all good. Got that green ZL1. Starting to rain again. There is something else going on today at like 11, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to make that. Maybe, not 100% sure, but if I do, pick up the vlog. If I don't, it'll probably be a different day that you'll see in this vlog as well.
One eternity later.
All right, so it's later in the day. Didn't end up going to another meet. I had to go ahead and do some stuff at the house. So if you guys enjoy it, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Second time running into a Dark Horse in the Shelby GT350. Man, they are so nice. I don't care what anybody says. The Dark Horse. Ooh, shit. Hey, look, I ain't gonna lie, man. If I find the right Dark Horse and I got everything done to this car, all this coming off and it's going on the Dark Horse. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.